Good morning. Hey, Dan here with the Home Builders Association, and we are in Prairie Trail once again for the Home Show Expo. This year we are at Parkway South, so it's a new area of Prairie Trail we haven't been to yet. And we're on the east side of the property, and we couldn't be more excited to be back here. We've got 5 fantastic houses we're going to talk about a little bit. We've also got new COVID restrictions for the show this year, and we're going to talk about those as we go through. So we're going to start and we're going to work our way through the houses. We're going to talk about this setting a little bit, and we're just going to fill you in on what you need to do. So house number 1, which is over here behind this truck. So we're going to move a little bit and we're going to get out of the way. But house number 1 is built by Giovanni. It's a wonderful house. Most of these homes this year are sold. So the market has been really, really good, and it's been good for our builders. So they're building these homes for customers. This particular house has a pool. And these first 2 houses our first 3 houses are actually alley loaded. So if you remember from being up in Prairie Trail previously, these houses, a lot of these neighborhoods are based on alleys. So there's a backyard, the driveway's in the back. That's why you don't see a garage. But it is a fantastic house. It's a gorgeous home inside. We're just teasing today. We're not going to go inside, so you're not going to get to see any of the finishes on the inside of these homes. But the house is almost done, and Gabe and his team from Giovanni, they're just putting the finishing touches on. If you see in the back, you can kind of get a glimpse of they're working on the pool in the backyard. Landscaping is just about wrapped up, and they're really excited for the show to start. So we're going to keep working our way now. We're heading to the south. If you have a point of reference with Prairie Trail of where we are just a little bit north and a little bit east of the FFA Enrichment Center, which is part of the DMAC's Ankeny campus. And Prairie Trail surrounds DMAC, the Des Moines Area Community College. And this particular side of the property is almost as far north and east as we can go in Prairie Trail. So we're really excited about it. We're now coming up on house number 2, which is being built by Sage Homes. As you see it, the outside is done. They are buttoned up. They've got all of their sod in. The landscaping is complete. Gorgeous home here. These first 2 homes both top out over $1 million. So if you're looking for the house of your dreams, whether you're dreaming about it or putting it into reality, we're going to have it for you. The price ranges this year average out without lot. They start at about $500, and like I mentioned, this house is topping out at over $1 million. 4 of the 5 I mentioned are sold. So this particular home is negotiable. It's the builder's personal home, but if the right buyer came and wanted this house, he'd be more than happy to have a conversation with you about purchasing it. The site itself this year and the show, like I mentioned, are going to be a little bit different. Prairie Trail isn't, but with limited access due to COVID, we're only selling tickets online, and we can only limit access to the site to 2 couples per shift per home. We're considering our site as one location, and if you want information, you need to go to dmhomeshow.com, and you can find that information. The first weekend of the show is almost sold out already, so you're going to need to look at weekends 2 and 3, but all that information is at dmhomeshow.com. Back to the side of us over here, you can see one of the amenities of this phase of Prairie Trail. This is all Future City Park. It's wonderful. They're using it for storm detention, so you'll see some ponds sometimes, you'll see water sometimes, but there's an exercise trail around here completely. It's just a fantastic part of this great planned community. We're excited to see the end of this. We started Prairie Trail off with our first home show up here. DRA Properties has been a phenomenal part of the Home Show Expo throughout its years. The show started in 1976, but we started up here when Prairie Trail was a baby. So Prairie Trail's initial home sites hosted a Home Show Expo, and now we've been a partner up here 3 different times in Prairie Trail, and DRA has been part of our show 4 times if you count Otter Creek. So we're about as far north and east, which means that the project is almost built out. There's a commercial center called the District, and in fact your tickets buy you district bucks that you can spend at anything in the district. You can go there to eat, you can go to the movie theater, you can do anything in the district with that money. So your $100 ticket buys you 2 entries to the show and then 60 district bucks. So it's a great value. We know it's limited, so we wish we could invite 12,000 of you like we had in the past, but that's just not the reality we're living in with COVID. So your one entrance will get you that money to spend throughout the neighborhood. Prairie Trail is also well known in the community for the foundation that they've created. So every home and every home buyer gets to be part of this Prairie Trail Foundation. It's fantastic. Scholarships for students that are going to college, the amenities for families, whether it's the aquatic center, the library. There's a high school all over my shoulder. There's a middle school over my shoulder. If you turn around here towards the south and east is the Ankeny Lewis Elementary School. It's all right here. It's a very walkable, livable community, and they couldn't be more proud. DRA has, like I mentioned, been phenomenal to us, but they're great to the homeowners, and it's a great community to live in. So if you're considering it, they would love to have you up here. If not, if you're just considering building or remodeling your home, we would love you to come visit the show. We've got a lot of different types of architecture here. As we come up on house number 3, you'll see examples of modern farmhouse, European Romantic, modern European, classical, colonial. It's really, they've got a unique set of architectural standards that go along with the project or with the community, and they're really trying to get the feel of an old neighborhood that's very walkable, and they've done a phenomenal job. We're on house 3 now, which is being built by Caliber, Iowa. It's been a built to order from day one. So these folks are ready for the show to end because they want to move in. You see that they're just finishing up the landscaping on the front. They're doing some finishing touches on the inside as well, but they're almost done. Our photographer is going to get in there next week and start shooting the interior of the home. And we're coming to a point here where we're going to turn. We're going to get off of this path, and we're going to head up the street to go to these next couple of houses. We're going to talk a little bit about logistics for the show. We mentioned that you have to buy your tickets online. We're also going to send you specific information about access and parking because we can't open it up to the community. We don't want to put all of this out here today because we're fearful that people will get confused by the messaging. So if you get online, you buy your tickets, we will give you an email, send you an email that's very specific about parking, how to come in here, where to go. There will be someone here to meet you and check you in when you get to the site, but we're going to be parking kind of close by, so that way everything is walkable. There won't be any buses, so we won't be shuttling you back and forth, and we will send you that information after you've registered. So we're going to keep going up the street here. How are we doing on time? So we're going to walk up the street. We're coming up here on house number 4, which is the only home that is for sale in the show right now. This is being built by Unique Homes. The Keister family has been part of our show more times than anyone in the history of our show, dating back to 1976 when we started. So they've been part of it. They always do a fantastic job, and they would love for you to come in and visit their site, visit their project. As I said, the house is for sale, and they would love to talk to you about buying it. But they're really coming down on the outside. The interior is getting close to the finishing stages as well. Hopefully you can hear me with the noise going on. But isn't that part of the excitement of the home show? It's everything's coming together at the last minute. They've got things going on in the front, the back, the inside, the outside. It's part of the allure of doing an event like this and a show like this. Here's that alley that we talked about that separates the front and the back of these homes on Park Street, and now we're just crossing that, and we're going to work our way away from the noise a little bit. And we have a unique set of partners in the show that really make this possible, and we couldn't do the show without them. So we really want to say thank you to all of them. There are too many to list on this short Facebook Live, so I'm not going to try to pull anybody out and forget someone. So thank you to all of the partners. They're on everything we're doing. They're on our website. They're on all of our digital platforms. They're everywhere. So please get out and buy from them. Go shop in their shops. And speaking of shopping, one of the things that we're doing for the people that buy tickets is we're giving away a $1,000 shopping spree. So we'll tell you more about that after we get done with house number 5, but stick with us because we'll talk about that at the end. Now this is house number 5, built by Dreamscapes. Dreamscape has been part of our show for many years, multiple People's Choice winners. They're always a continued favorite here. But this house is also designed and built for a family. You'll get to come in and see it before they move in, obviously, but this is another one of those great signs of our economy right now, right? A lot of people are using their money, they're investing in property, interest rates are at historic lows, so we're really excited about it. So I was mentioning previously that if you buy tickets to the show, you get entered in a drawing. So we're giving away, we have a total of 780 entries, and we're giving away a $1,000 shopping spree to the Elements at Prairie Trail to everybody that buys tickets to come to the show. So it's really great odds, especially if you're a fan of decorating. They've got a wonderful store right up the street in the district. We would love for you to come out and patronize their store as well. But come on out to the show. We're really excited about it. Even with the COVID-19 and all of the changes that we've had, we're going to have a fantastic show. Get on, buy the tickets. About 2/3 of them are gone already. As I said, that first weekend is almost sold out. So if that July 9th, 10th, 11th weekend is your weekend, make sure and get on there. Go to dmhomeshow.com for all the information. If you don't find it there, you can find it on our mobile app, or you can call our office. Come out to Home Show 2020. We'd love to have you.